And, so Christmas is ways away, but just seeing those pictures, it makes me happy to think of the holidays.
Yes.
First, though, let's talk about what's going on today. Let's not jump too far ahead with Natasha.
Okay, so I know the number one question is about the damaging winds or the potential to have damaging winds. We have a high wind warning, but not for the valley and not for the entire coastline. It basically goes from Lincoln City down south to the California border. So let's talk about when we're expecting the strongest winds to initiate. So this is right around midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning. That's when probably many of you will be asleep, but I think this kind of wind will likely wake you up, especially if you have tree branches near those windows. It'll scratch on the windows initially. 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning. We're talking about wind gusts anywhere from 40 to 45 miles per hour. Top end closer to 50 miles per hour. Now, this does not mean just because you're out of the warning area, that doesn't mean that you couldn't see an isolated wind gust or feel an isolated wind gust upwards of 35 or even 45 miles per hour here in the valley. So right about the time that we're getting closer to your sunrise time, that's when we'll have more of those widespread strong winds. Again, for the valley top end, we can see anywhere from 35 up to 45 miles per hour. Again, an isolated wind gust is possible. So what does that mean? Potential for some power outages. If you have some of those weak trees, you might see those coming down. So just be prepared for that early in the morning tomorrow. This is Newport, upwards of 58 miles per hour, so closer to 60 to 65 on the top end again until about 6 o'clock in the morning. It'll still be windy throughout the day tomorrow, but not as strong. Those damaging winds subside as we get to the middle of the day and the afternoon. Noticing out to our mountain areas, Cascades, wind gusts topping even 60 to 65 miles per hour. That's why a winter storm warning will be in effect, not just because of the snow, but because of blowing snow. Again, that's through tomorrow morning. Now we get to Saturday. Saturday night, winds pick up once again. We're not completely done with that pesky wind until we get to really Sunday. After Sunday morning, we'll start to see those winds subside. So again, damaging winds possible certainly in the valley, but more likely at the coast from Newport south. And that's all about tomorrow early in the morning. So there's your winter storm warning. You can see all areas highlighted in pink are included in that winter storm warning. That warning will continue through tomorrow morning about 7 o'clock in the morning. So keep that in mind. Now, if that's rather your high wind warning, but the winter storm warning will continue until about 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. What we are expecting for your conditions now, wind just starting to pick up a little bit, not too bad right now in Portland. 48 degrees your temperature now, wind out of the southeast at about 6 miles per hour. Snow total potentials for some of our roadways, some of our mountain passes. We get to tomorrow right around 5 o'clock. At that point, we could accumulate anywhere from about 1 to 2 inches. Not too bad, but as we get through Friday night, again, winter storm warning continues through tomorrow night. Now we're picking up a little bit more. So by the time you're out and about Saturday morning, Saturday midday, we could be seeing something closer to about 7 or 8 inches near Government Camp. And for the higher elevations, right around 5,000 feet, possibly a foot or 2 feet of snow for you by Saturday midday. There's your 7-day forecast. Look at that. Temperatures remain in the low 50s to upper 40s, and we warm up with more rain next Monday and Tuesday.
All right. Rain